It's your girl Momo Alicia back again with another vlog. Enjoy.
Yeah. Did you sleep? I never slept. I didn't sleep all day. No. I was doing so much yesterday. I cooked yesterday. I washed my hair. I took the plaits out my hair, changed my hair. Yesterday I was doing a lot. Today I go sleep. Okay. Good morning, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mama Alicia back again with another vlog. It's probably about 6 o'clock now and I'm on a morning walk on the beach.
Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life, hit them strictly with a bye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What is that? Is there not crocodiles in there? I'm doing it the opposite.
Yeah, kick over you, man. Yeah? Cover you. Quick. Yeah. 7, 8, 9.
After working out all morning, later on in the afternoon, I went to the shop and it was actually a pet shop. Like, they sold pets there and there was all kinds of guinea pigs, hamsters, gerbils. There was a lot of different pets. There was parrots, there was everything there. It was really nice to see. There was some really bright coloured birds. Later on in the evening, I went home and I cooked up a storm. I made curry chicken, fried plantain, rice and peas, and then I had cucumbers on the side.
It was all a dream, just a new girl on the scene. Got your face on magazines. How I feel is killing me. Body you care.
Don't tell me if you judge it up.
What is going on here?
Yeah. Some sweet pepper. Planting out some sweet pepper.
Okay.
And over there we have the hot pepper.
hot pepper.
And okra and tomato. Then we have another batch of tomato right there. The plant out.
Okay.
Yeah, nursery. So in the nursery I take out some of it.
Are you putting it in a different pan?
Yeah. No, I'm putting
And potting it.
different group, different
Okay.
package. Then I reach a stage where we can take them out now and plant them elsewhere.
Okay.
Yeah. Like over
Nice.
here.
I'm coming over there. Okay, so I get you now.
Yeah.
So they got more space.
Yeah. I get a lot of more space. Farm, you know, you can go around and look on the piglets.
Yes.
They have big pig, small pig.
Let's have a look at the pigs. Ooh. Let's have a look. And piglets are in here. Ooh, hi. Hello. Oh gosh. Cute are these puppies?
I'm going to complain at all.
Boy.
Do not want no little piece of chicken in KFC. We want big fat chicken. No little chicken. Yeah.
That's a code.
No little chicken.
And what are the flavors? I didn't get them. Sorry about that.
The
Great.
grape. Both of them grape.
Alright, anything else?
Yes.
And the corn.
And a corn
That's it?
and some wings, like about smallest amount of wings or one
Are
nine.
you mixing the wings or it's all fine?
Guys, we got the goods. We got the goods. And we're going. Yeah. I got a corn on the cob. Yay.
I got a hot and spicy zinger.
And the barbecue zinger.
And some wings. You can pull up a little better. Momo, you stay and eat and I'm going there, so if you want to stay and eat. So, something right, yeah, so with that boy, that like that too much trouble from what there.
Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to The Vibe. It resides right here. Remember to click on the notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a vlog, a video. You're updated and you can see that. I'm having KFC right now. The sun is absolutely blazing. We are in Clarendon, currently Maypen, and I'm sat outside Mid-Island Electric Co Limited, and it's a warehouse. I think it's like DIY kind of warehouse shop. We've just got KFC. I ordered a barbecue zinger combo, so that comes with fries, a drink. I got a great drink, this great drink. I'm so thirsty. And I got corn on the cob.
So mango season is approaching and I just wanted to show you guys this beautiful tree. Look at this Julie mango tree. All the mangoes are massive. They're so massive, but they're green and hard. That's the only thing. Like, they are so big.
Hey, start over here to pay for me. What you want? What is it fish in that over? No, that's it.
It's so lit.